Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, guys, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're having an amazing day. So, as you can see in this video, we're going to do edge lighting. So, you want to go to settings and then personalization, and then there's a setting called edge lighting, and you can choose between the neon purple, the ocean blue, and the amber orange. I currently have it set on the ocean blue on my Oppo Reno 4 5G, and I think it looks pretty cool when I get a notification. So at the moment I have always on display on, so that's why it shows that on the screen. But you can also go to settings, notifications and status bar, and then click edge lighting at the bottom, and it also takes you to the exact same bit on the settings, so you can change the same setting. So as you can see here, they had a black screen with the edge lighting. That is what it will look like if you don't have always on display on. So let me just change that. Just turn off always on display, and now you'll be able to see that when I have the edge lighting on, it will just be a black screen, which looks very clean. I do like that. And that's basically it, guys. That is how you do it. It's very simple and something that I love on Android 11. Thank you guys for watching.